Actually, I'm here for a reason. I need some help. Look, I have all these rice cakes. I don't know what to do with them. Can you help?
I'm a cook and I can give you some ideas for rice cakes if you want.
I do. Thank you. That would be great. Let's learn how to cook. On the go! Kevin and Claire are professional cooks. They focus only on healthy cooking and eating.
Come to the kitchen to cook together with us.
So Kevin, what do I do first?
First, you need to go shopping for me. And this is a list of things that I need.
The list has the names of many foods that we will use in our cooking. These are called the ingredients. I need to find all these ingredients. I'll be back. During the Lunar New Year, Dihuajie is so crowded that it's very hard to move. One thing nice about shopping here is you get free samples. Let's try this yellow fruit. It's kind of sour and kind of sweet. Most shops on this street sell ingredients for Chinese medicine. There are many dried fruits, plants, and nuts that are very healthy. Are these real flowers? No, they're by Moore. But these, they are mushrooms. Let's see what else I have on my list. I have oil and peanuts to get. There's some. Okay, well, I think I got everything on my list. So now it's time to head back to the kitchen and start cooking. Let's go. Okay, so we have all these ingredients. We're ready to cook. What is our first step? First, cut the rice cake. Next, put the rice cake into a pan with a little bit of oil. Cook both sides until they're golden brown. Press down on the rice cakes. Add the pickled cabbage, peanut powder, and cilantro. Roll the rice cake and cut into pieces. That was so good. And now we are going to learn how to make Ningbo style.
Yep.
So what do we do? Cook the Ningbo rice cakes in the pan until they're golden brown. Get another pan to cook the pork and other ingredients. Add a little salt and pepper. Add the vegetables last. Stir until everything is cooked.
And now we are going to just add in
Mix
the vegetables.
everything
So
together
simple.
with the rice cakes.
Right?
Stir and serve.
Looks delicious.
Wow, that was so easy to make. Thank you, Kevin and Claire, for showing me how to make these rice cakes so tasty and delicious. Well, it's time to eat these rice cakes. So see you next time on the go. Happy New Year!